Oh, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Joe. I'm Lisa. And together we blog at joelisa.com. Right. Today, today is Wednesday. And you know what happens. If you've been here with us before, you know what happens on a Wednesday. Thank you, by the way, for always being with us on a Wednesday. Right. So today we're off on another Wednesday day date, which is when we take time out of the week on a Wednesday in the day, go somewhere nice, do any errands we have to do first. Yes. And then, but today we have no errands to run. There's one thing, not really an errand, but I'd like to get some teriyaki sauce because I want to try some teriyaki wings in our new air fryer. So one of these days we might show you, but I want to get some teriyaki sauce. Although I have a feeling I could make it. If I find a recipe, I could make it. Yeah, perhaps. And maybe we have everything that we need. Yeah. But anyway, what do you see in the back? Nobody. So we're off on our twosome again. Yeah. Julian has driving today. She chose to do her driving on Wednesday. Yeah. Well, just for this week, I hope. It's on Wednesday. So we're going alone and we'll be fine. Nobody to show us directions, but we'll be okay. And we have our backpack, so it's another trekking adventure today. We're not too sure. We know where we're going. We're not telling you yet. The town. But it's the train again. So we're getting the train. Then getting to our destination, and then once we're there, you'll know. Oh, so now we're on the train again, and it's heading to, not saying, just watch the pre, and soon you'll see where we are. So now we're able to let the elephant out of the bag. Elephant? Yeah. Elephant. Yeah. So that's today's challenge, to find the elephants that are in Worcester. So that's where we are. I think there are 12, I think. But we need to get ourselves a map, and we need to find as many as we can before it's time to go home. Yeah, I like this activity because it allows you to get out and to do some walking. Yeah. Which we desperately need, and as the weather, you know, clears up a bit and is kinder to us, we like that. It's a bit rainy, just a bit, drizzling a bit. Yeah, but it's okay, we'll manage. So let's show you the first. Well, we saw one just outside the train station. I'll put a link. I'll put the elephant here. Here, and then here's the one just in front of us now. Well, we're still walking, and number 3 is coming up. There is our number 3. So we found 3. And we were of the view that there were 12 of them. Well, we have just learned that there are 66. So our challenge is to find 12. There is our number 4. Beautiful. And here is our next one. Oh, here's another one. We've now spotted 3 in one area. One. This one is An ode to the NHS, clap for carers. Clap for carers, peace. And it has like puzzles. Some of these were designed by children, by the way. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think this one looks African inspired. So here's one that we found in a shop window. Yeah. Beautiful. With some penguins beside it. Can you see the penguins? Oh yeah. There they are. And there's Mr. Elephant, a baby one inside a shop window. Elephant with butterflies on it. We've just taken a little break because it's sort of muggy. And we've done quite a bit of walking. A break for a drink and then we're off again. Cheers. One big American. Say hi, Leisa. Okay, so we've had a good rest and now we found one more. So let's show. Looks patchwork, like a quilt. I'll show you. Yeah. There.
They usually do a third concert.
Beautiful. And there you have it. This one is colorful. Looks sort of Chinese influence. Oh. This one looks shiny, sparkly. Check some out. I found some more. So don't bother tell us we haven't got to 12. I'm sure we've passed 12 now. So now we're going to head to somewhere for lunch. Not sure where yet. I think we might be spoiled for choice for where to have lunch. Because there's one, another, more eateries in that way. Here as well. There's a Turkish one. So we might try Turkish today. Is this the Turkish one? No, that one. That one. Anatolian place. Palace. Let's try two different things. So Joe, what are we having? What cuisine is it today? It's Turkish. I've not had Turkish food outside of Turkey. Have you? You've had it? Yeah, in Turkey. I had a little gist of it in Morocco. But we'll hopefully choose something that we like. I'm going for lamb, maybe ribs. I'll choose something else so that we can share. It's a nice looking restaurant and we have a seat. Yeah, so it's a nice looking restaurant and we have a seat by the window. It was such a lively and jivey place, and if anybody has a celebration like a birthday or anniversary, the staff members came round and they sang and they played their little, I think it's a tambourine or something like that, in their traditional costume from Morocco. So from Turkey. So we had a little bit of that and it was awesome. TripAdvisor, here we come. Thank you so much. So this is the return trip now. So we found all the elephants that we can find. We've eaten as much as we could. And so it's on the way home now. And we found a nice Turkish restaurant. That was the bomb. Yeah, the staff were amazing. Dates, to me, that one was the best one. Yeah. Food really nice. Train's about to leave now though, so we'll do our rating when we get home. And a little haul. Hi guys, it's the next day now. Sorry we didn't get to end the video off yesterday, but we had a really lovely time in Worcester, and then when we came back to Birmingham we spent some time in the city centre. Right. So we did get home late and we're shattered because we're not so young anymore, you know. Right, but overall the rating, that restaurant was amazing. 10. Turkish restaurant, 10. We were a bit iffy about the food, but honestly, it was amazing. 10. We're going to have to do a proper review for them online. Yeah. But it was so good. Yeah, TripAdvisor will see us because that was truly amazing and the world needs to know. Yes, we did buy a few things and we said we'd have a little haul, but we're also planning a big haul video. So we'll share look those. Out for that. Yeah, we'll save those for that haul. Alright, so thanks again. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you soon. Bye!